Hello guys, welcome to Education Club. Today we are going to learn our third lesson, diversity and functions of plant parts. We have already learned the parts of a plant. Let's refresh that knowledge. There are fruits, flowers, leaves, taproot and also lateral roots. Also, we have learned parts of a leaf. Let's refresh. Veins, base, petiole, veinlets, margin and tip. Let's talk about leaf arrangement. The leaves are fixed to the stem in a way to expose all the leaves to the sunlight. The pattern of fixing the leaf to the stem of the plant is known as leaf arrangement. There are four main ways as leaves are on alternative sides of the stem, leaf attachment paired at nodes and in opposite directions. 3 or more leaves attached at each node of the stem in a wire. Leaves are attached in a spiral manner around the stem. Let's talk about functions of plant leaves. Transpiration is the process of evaporation of water from plant. It mainly takes place through the stomata in leaves. Transpiration helps to transport water to the upper part of the plant. The leaves of plants in arid environments are adapted to minimize transpiration. Some leaves are adapted to store water. They have become fleshy because they have specialized tissue to conserve water. Some leaves produce new plants to asexual reproduction. Let's talk about diversity and functions of plant stems. The basic function of a stem are supporting and bearing leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, seeds of the plant and keeping the plant upright. Also, the stem transports water and minerals throughout the plant. Most stems are found above the ground. Some stems grow underground and they are known as underground stems. In addition to the basic function, stems have adapted to fulfill other functions. Let's see diversity of stems based on their adaptation. Most stems produce new living tissues, allowing plants to grow and reproduce. These stems are known as propagative stems. Example, Gotukola, Undupialia, banana and paddy. Some plants store food in aerial stems. Example, sugarcane and kittu. Some underground stems serve the functions of storage of food, penetration and sexual propagation. During the adverb seasons, the aerial parts get destroyed, but the underground stems survive. During the favorable season, new spores come out from the underground stems using stored food. Example, turmeric, ginger, onion and potato. Some stems are green and photosynthesis. Such stems are called photosynthetic stems. Example, cactus and daluk. Some plants fix to support to climb up and absorb sunlight efficiently. Such stems called climbing stems. Example, beans and vetiver. Let's talk about diversity and functions of plant roots. The basic function of root is to anchor the plant into the soil, absorb water and minerals. There are many some roots adapted to satisfy other functions. Other than the taproot and its branches, there are some roots which arise from other parts of the plants. These roots are known as adventitious roots. There are roots that are adapted to fulfill many other functions. Tuberous roots. The roots that are swollen due to storage of food are known as tuberous roots. Some tuberous roots allow the plant to survive in unfavorable seasons. Food can be stored either in taproot or in adventitious roots. Storage of food in taproot, as examples, carrot, radish and beet. Storage of food in adventitious roots, example, manioc and sweet potato. Prop roots, adventitious roots that arise from branches. They have penetrated the soil and help to support branches. Example, banyan tree. root. Adventitious roots arise from the stem, grow below the ground and support the stem. Example, Rampa and Mahakadu. Climbing roots. Roots that help to climb the stems. Example, beetle and pepper. Aerial roots. These roots absorb moisture from the atmosphere and supply the plant. These specialized roots can be found mostly in epiphytes. Example, orchid and vanilla. Respiratory roots. These roots absorb air from the atmosphere and supply to the plant. They are specialized roots which can be found mostly in mangroves. Propagative roots. These roots produce new plants. Example, curry leaves, guava and belly. Let's do a simple activity to summarize what we have learned today. Write the main function of the given plant parts. Plant leaves. Carry out the process of photosynthesis. Stem. Supporting and bearing all the parts of the plant and keep the plant upright. Roots. The basic function of root is to anchor the plant into the soil, absorb water and minerals. Let's fill the blank. The pattern in which leaves grow on the stem is known as leaf arrangement. Sugarcane, palmyra are examples for aerial stems. The leaves of the cactus tree reduce the spine is an adaptation to minimize transpiration. Curry leaves, belly, breadfruit trees often use the propagative roots for propagation. Respiratory roots are specialized roots that can be seen in mangrove plants. Thank you for staying from the beginning to the very end of this video. See you very soon.